Hi friends, today we will discuss some other important problems. See friends, first one, if a number increased by 30% and then from the increased number it's 30% decreased, then see friends, if a number increased by 30% and then from the increased number it's 30% decreased, then what change will come? See friends, this type of problems I will tell you one formula. A plus B plus AB by 100. See friends, whenever a decreased percentage and increased percentage will come in any problem. See friends, here a number increased by 30% and then from decreased by 30%. Then what is the change? In this type of problems, we will apply this formula. See friends, remember this formula. A plus B plus AB by 100. A means 30%, that means plus 30. B decreased 30%, that means minus 30 plus 30 into minus 30 again. See friends, plus 30 minus 30. Even if you put plus here, A plus 30 plus minus 30. B is minus 30, decreased minus 30 plus 30 into minus 30. See friends, how we can write it? 30 minus 30 plus 30 into minus 30 by 100. Then that plus 30 minus 30 cancel. See friends, 0 0 cancel. Then 3 into 3, 9 minus 9. Plus into minus minus. 3 into 3, 9 minus 9. See friends, minus 9 means decreased by 9%. See friends, decreased by 9%. Decreased by 9%. See friends, straight away we will go to the answer. Whenever a number increased by 30% and the same increase in number decreased by the same percentage, then straight away we will get this one, 3 into 3. Here 30%, 30%. It is 9. In this type of problems, the number always less than the original number. See friend, final number always less than the original number. It is always the decreased percentage only. 3 into 3, 9. 9% less than, decreased by 9%. See friends, we will cross check it. If a number is 100, then first increased by 30%, that means 130. Again decreased by 30%. That means 33 are 39. 130 minus 39, how much? 91. See friends, original number is 100, final number is 91. Decreased by 9%. Whatever, if suppose, see friends, if we ask reverse, if a number is decreased by 30% and then from the decreased number, the number is increased by 30%. See friends, first he decreased 30%, that means 70. Again increased by 30%. How much 30% of 70? 21. That means 91. See friends. Again 9% decreased. Whatever it is, either first increase or first decreased, but the same percent should be increased or decreased on the increased number or decreased number. Finally, we will get the less number as compared to the original number. So it is always the percentage will decrease. Straight away we will get 30 into 30 by 100 equal to 9. It is a decreased percentage. This formula also not required. If the percentages are different, then we can go to this formula. If percentages are different, then we will go to this formula. If the percentages are same, then straight away we will go to this 30 into 30 by 100, 3 into 3, 9, 9% decreased because it is always less than the original number. See friends, the same problem if you will ask like this, if a number decreased by 30% and then from the decreased number it's 30% increase, then what change will come? See friends, same only. If you go through formula, same will come. First decrease, that means minus 30 plus then again increase, this plus 30 plus minus 30 into plus 30 by 100. 30 30 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, minus into plus minus, 3 3 are 9, so minus 9, decreased by 9%. See friends, decreased by 9%. Suppose if you take 100 as a number, first he decreased 30%, minus 30%, that means 70. Again plus 30%. How much? 7 3 are 21. 21 plus 70, 91. Again decreased by 90%. Sorry, again decreased by 9%. See friends. So straight away we will go for this 30 into 30 by 100. 0 0 cancel, then 9. It is always less. So decreased by 9%. See friends. If this type of problem will come, straight away 30 into 30 by 100. 2 zeros cancel. 3 into 3, 9. So decreased by 9%. Always the number is less than the original number. See friends, another problem. The percentage change in the area of the rectangle when its length is increased by 10% and breadth is decreased by 10%. See friends, what he is asking, the percentage change in the area of the rectangle when its length is increased by 10% and breadth is decreased by 10%. See friend, just before I told you, straight away we will multiply these two and divide by 100. 10 into 10 by 100. 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0. So 1. This always less. I told you, this is always less than the original. That means 1% decreased. Area decreased by 1%. This is the answer. You go to the formula. A plus B plus AB by 100. See friends, first what? Length is increased by 10%. That means plus 10. Plus B decreased by 10%, that means minus 10, plus 10 into minus 10, sorry, plus 10 into minus 10 by 100. See friends, plus 10 no minus 10 cancel, 2 zeros cancel, then plus into minus minus, 1 into 1, 1. See friends, minus 1. That means decreased by 1%. Then I will tell you the example. We don't know the area of the rectangle. See friends, this is the rectangle. Suppose if you think length is 100, breadth is 50. See friends, now we will find the area. Area how much? Area equal to length into breadth. That means 100 into 50 equal to 5000. See friends, this is the example I am telling for understanding. Then what he changed? This increased by, length is increased by 10%. That means 110. Breadth decreased by 10%. Here 10% decrease. That means minus 10%. Here plus 10%. That means 45. 10% of 50 is 5. Decreased 10%, that means 45. Then area equal to length into breadth, 110 into 45. See friends, 11 5 is 55, 11 4 is 44 plus 5, 49, 4,950. Actual area is 5,000. After changing this one, area is 4,950. What is the change? 50 changed. So what is the percentage of 50 in 5,000? See friends, what is the percentage of 50 in 5,000? 10% is 500. 1% is 50. See friends, 1% decreased. 1% decreased. See friends, I am always telling you, we should know the procedure. If you know the procedure, then we can easily go for shortcuts. We can easily get the answer. If you don't know the procedure, even if you know the shortcuts also, it won't help in exams. First, we have to know the procedure. Then we can go for shortcuts. If you don't know the procedure, if you go for shortcuts, it won't help. So that only I am telling you the procedure. Thank you. Next problem I will tell you with the different percentages. So far we have calculated with the same percentage. With the same percentage means increased by the 30%, decreased by 30%, increased by 10%, decreased by 10%, increased by 20%, decreased by 10%. Sorry, 20%. If the same percentage increased and decreased the same percentage, we will get the answer always less than the original number. See friends, now here it is a different. If the breadth of a rectangle is increased by 40% and the length decreased by 30%. See friends, if the breadth of a rectangle is increased by 40% and the length decreased by 30%, then what will be the effect on its area? See friends, I told you now formula, you go for formula a plus b plus ab by 100. See friends, a how much? First increased by 40%, that means plus 40. B is decreased by 30%, that means minus 30, plus AB, A means 40 into B means minus 30 by 100. See friends, plus 40 minus 30 equal to 10, plus 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel, 4 3s are 12, plus into minus minus, so minus 12 plus minus 12 equal to minus 2. That means area decreased by 2%. That means decreases by 2%. See friends, I will tell you with the example. This is a rectangle. Length is 100, breadth is 50. See friends, if the breadth of a rectangle is increased by 40%, see friends, the breadth increased by 40%. 40% how much? 20. 20 means 50 plus 20, 70. Here length is decreased by 30%. See friends, length is decreased by 30%. That means 30% of 100 how much? 30. That means here 70 will come. See friends, actual area is how much? Actual area equal to length into breadth. 100 into 50. That means 5,000. Now after changing, what is the area? 70 into 70, that means 4,900. See friends, what is the decreased? 100. See friends, what percentage of 100 is 5,000? See friends, 10% is 500, 1% is 50. 1% is 50, that means 2% is 100. So 2% decreased.